Meow. I love this orange kitty here and a lovely pose. So this is going to be just a quick little gesture sketch. Just kind of mapping in my shapes here. Correcting my mistakes as I go. Just kind of feeling things out, keeping my lines minimal too. There's those paws. When I go over a shape, even though it's already there, that just means I'm not sure about it and I'm just making sure I got what I want. So here we go getting those nice little triangles in. Just a quick suggestion of a mouth. Those eyes. The slants of the eyes didn't go in the same shape as the cat that I'm drawing from, but you know what? It's just fun extra character when they end up a different shape. We have a Facebook group. It's called Cat Drawing Art Workshop, and you will find the link to that group in the video description below. So I hope that you join us if you really are passionate about drawing cats. It's a lovely growing group of people. So now I'm basically choosing the lines that I want to keep and then adding a bit to them to just make a suggestion of what a cat's all about. But you know, easy on the lines because this is a simple drawing. And if I overdo one part, it throws off all the other parts. It doesn't fit if one part is really finished, as they say, and the rest isn't. Mind you, there are particular styles like that too. Just kind of choosing where it's important to fill in the lines. It's an art. There's a reason they call it art. Takes lots of practice to get good at it. But I would hope that with my videos that some of the stuff that I've taken years to learn, I can pass on to you and give it to you in an instant. And you can use it the way that's fit for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that little notification button because there's lots more videos coming up. And I love to hear your comments. If you drop a comment below just telling me what you really want to learn most about cat art. Or just tell me your cat's name or where you live. I love to hear from you. Just adding some suggestion of tabby stripes. I'm not really going sort of going by what I see, but I'm not making the lines exactly the same because I'm aiming more to add life to the drawing and connectivity to the drawing, to add to the flow of the drawing. Drawing with character. We know it looks like a cat. Just being really careful how many lines I add here now, not wanting to add too many. And there are parts where I think I have added too many, but it's all a learning process. Thanks for watching.